Hi, I'm Josh Abbott. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a purchase using Bitcoin. All you need is a Bitcoin wallet, which is just a service where you keep your Bitcoin. For this video, I'm going to use Coinbase as my Bitcoin wallet. So let's say that I come across this offer and I want to buy these credits for $4.99 and I want to pay for it using Bitcoin. I'm going to click this button that says Pay using CoinPayments. And then I'm going to select which coin I want to use. I want to use Bitcoin, so I'm going to select BTC, and then I'm just going to enter my email address and my name, and I'm going to click on Complete Checkout. And now it's going to tell me how much Bitcoin I need to send and which address I need to send it to. So it's going to convert the dollar amount, that $4.99, into the Bitcoin amount right here. So I'm going to go back into my Coinbase account. I'm going to go under Accounts, and I'm going to go to my Bitcoin wallet, and I'm going to click on Send. And then it's going to ask me which address I want to send it to and the amount. So I'm going to take this address right here. I'm just going to copy it. And then I'm going to paste it. And now for the amount, I can either enter it in US dollars or in Bitcoin. Since it's already converted the amount into Bitcoin, I'm just going to copy this right here, and I'm going to paste it right next to BTC. So now I've got the address and the amount. So I'm just going to click on Continue, and this will take me to the confirmation page. Now I've got it set up so it'll send me a security code that I need to type in. So if you've set this up in your Coinbase account, just type the code in, and then click Confirm. And that's it. Now I've completed my purchase. Now it can take Bitcoin payments up to about 10 minutes to go through, but in just a few moments you should see a confirmation page confirming that your payment was successful.